Hello, I'm Beth. I'm the AI marketing ambassador for unicaststreamtv.com. We help indie filmmakers and YouTubers create their own subscription-based website to complement their YouTube channel. There is no doubt that AI will take over most jobs. Experts are sounding the alarm that we will be facing a 20 to 40% unemployment rate in just a few years. We already seeing mass layoffs from big tech companies like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and even the US government. And there are not just hundreds, the layoffs are in the thousands. That is going to trigger other businesses and industries like retail stores, travel, transportation, restaurant, and alike that have not gotten affected by AI, at least in a big way, to follow suit. It's getting so bad we are already seeing videos on YouTube of recent college graduates that can't even get a job that only requires a high school diploma. We've always experienced job displacement with new technology before. What is different about AI is that it's killing jobs just about in every industry at the same time and at a faster pace. And the experts are saying we only have about 3 to 5 years before the collapse of our economy as we know it. People have to start getting ready now. If you are in the content creation space to better understanding what is going on, a great example of this is what happened in Hollywood and the film industry. But if you are not, the same scenario is playing out in just about every industry because of AI. Hollywood's problem has been brewing for years, but the economic side surfaced in COVID-19. Studios cut back on projects because it's gotten too costly to make a film and people stopped going to the theaters. People in the industry thought it was just like past recessions that eventually things would come back to normal, so they were demanding more money. AI came along and showed the studios they can use AI to bring down the cost and personnel of a film and license the film to the streaming platform. The same scenario is playing in other industries. If a company can replace an employee making as little as $30,000 per year, and AI will be bringing down the cost to a few $100s for computer time, they are going to do it. So, what is the economy going to look like in the coming years? Today's economy comes from people having jobs, investments like stocks, income from real estate, intellectual properties like owning the rights to a piece of content, and government programs like Social Security benefits. But most support themselves by having a job with weekly paychecks. How are people going to support themselves? I think is going to take a combination of all three types of income. Universal basic income is needed to at least provide the most basic needs like food, personal products, and the most basic shelter. In the meantime, you have to start planning for what's coming. Choose a profession that AI can't duplicate like plumber, electrician, or construction work. Or if you want to work in an office-type environment, become a content creator and learn the art of storytelling. If you come from another industry, we have a course on how to become an independent content creator. For YouTubers, you have to start thinking of other ways to make money besides ads on YouTube. With more and more people starting a YouTube channel, there is not enough ad revenue to go around. Plus, your channel has to compete not just other channels, the big studios are also starting channels on YouTube. Not to mention all the AI videos flooding YouTube. So it's about to get even harder to get discovered on YouTube. It's no secret that YouTube want to be more like a streaming service like Netflix. Their own data showed them that more and more viewers are watch YouTube on big screen TVs more than mobile phones. And with major network moving to YouTube, where does that leave small creator? My suggestion is start a subscription-based website with your content. As AI videos takes over, content made from a human becomes more valuable and they may be willing to pay for it. And rather than saying, like and subscribe, say, go to my website and support me with just a few dollars a month and start doing it now while there is still time. With your own subscription-based website, you don't have to be at the mercy of the platforms, and you only need 1,000 to 3,000 subscribers paying $2 to $4 a month to make a decent living. I'm not an economist, and it's all my personal opinion, but all you have to do is open your eyes of what is going on in front of you. AI is already and will be a big part of our lives. I'm an optimist. AI will make it a decentralized economy. AI will allow everyone to become solo entrepreneurs. AI will allow one person or a small group of people with very little money to create a company and be successful. Midjourney, creators of an AI tool, the company makes over $100 million in yearly revenue with only a staff of 10 people. A writer, a director, actor, and a small crew of 5 to 10 can get together and make a film, and at a substantial savings. So, there is light at the end of the tunnel, but you have to adopt and get ready to what's coming. Go to unicaststreamtv.com to sign up for our content creator course. See you on the next one.